Firstly, take out the screws and install the handle holder. Connect with power supply. Then connect one end of the electric cord with the device. Insert the other end with two EMS electrode pads and place them on the handle holder. Check if everything's properly installed. Press down on the power button. Adjust time. Working time ranges from 0 to 60 minutes. Default working time is 30 minutes. You can adjust between 20 to 30 minutes. Click speed to adjust frequency. Default setting is S. Click once to switch to M, then again to switch to F. Adjust the speed based on one's own comfort level. Click Select to adjust working mode. Default mode is F1. Click to switch to F2. Then click again to switch to F3 and again to F4. There's 4 modes in total. Click Auto to turn on LED. When LED light indicator is on, speed and function or mode both enter cycle mode. For instance, the EMS pads cycle through F1 to F4 mode under speed S first, then under speed M, and at last speed F, and goes back to speed S afterwards. 10 different knobs control 10 different pairs of EMS pads. Turn clockwise to turn on the EMS pads, and you'll hear a beep, and the light indicator above will be on. Click the button next to Start to turn on the device, and the start light indicator turns on. Click again to turn off the device, and the stop light indicator turns on. When the arrow light is on and the alarm will go off, that's when you need to turn off the power or energy knob of any working EMS pads to disable the alarm. Make sure you turn off all the power knob of any working EMS pads after every session to avoid next alarm.